Hey guys, it's me back with another Roblox Let's Play, and today we're going to be playing Jailbreak, and I've got a much cooler skin than the last one. The last one was a noob skin, so let's just jump right in and play this awesome game. I'll be a police guy. Um, so cool. I and I'll just let you guys take a look at my. Oh, and I've got a badge for being a cop. Awesome. So we have a few top criminals. Who cares? Let's just go try and attack everyone. Get into get into this get into this car. Oh, sorry, no, okay. No, sorry, no, I'm busy. So, sorry, that was my sister. You can usually find her in videos, but anyway, I said no there. So, where were we? Yes. So, looks like we're very far away from the cop base. I don't know why we're here. And how do we use this gun thingy? I have no. Oh, cool! Isn't that like awesome, you guys? I'm just gonna shoot at everyone I see. And I basically have unlimited bullets. Oh, I get health. I'm starting to like. Well, this game is awesome. So, what do you think we should do? Should we try and go? Should we try and go to the jail? Because I think this is no, yeah, this is the criminal base. Arrest players. Yeah. Hey, you're under arrest for hijacking that thingamabobber. Hey, you! Boy, I hate boy. Wonder who that was. Meh. Hey, you're under arrest. And what am I doing? I'm hitting a car. Sorry, you guys, I'm just getting a bit overexcited. So, what do you think we should do? We're looking pretty good right now. Walk just, although, well, my OC looks ridiculous. Well, it's not my OC, it's my player, and he looks ridiculous. Yay! Not. Don't yay. Don't yay. Honestly, don't yay with me. Whenever I yay, it's just weird. And if you yay with me, it'll embarrass you. Anyway, so there was, so I heard there was a tunnel over. Wait, no, we're way past. Uh, yeah, we, yeah, well, we are very far away. So let's just try, let's just try and find someone to shoot. Huh? Been playing this game for 4 minutes. Meh. So, what do you think of what do you think of my avatar? It's got a Roblox hat, black shirt, and by the way, I have 0 Robux. I just got this all for free. Could you guys, if if you guys are friendly and very nice, could you please like donate me a few Robux? My account name is obviously Pegasus Lover 44, and that's also who I am. Pegasus Lover 44, and that's also the name of my Roblox account. Pegasus Lover 44. And it's also the name of my Scratch account. Pegasus Lover 44. Anyway, so let's go. So, do any of you guys Roblox? I just started playing this morning, so hopefully most of you guys probably know much more than me. Am I dead? Oh no. Cool. Wonder what happens when you die in this game. I know what happens when you die and you're a prisoner. You go back to jail, but this is different. So, oh, cool, giant lookout. Let's go up there. Whoop. Whoop. Ow. Oof. Roblox, that sound. Anyway, so getting close to a road, and looks like we're also getting it's just train tracks. Well, there's a road, and I think is that the same helicopter we saw before? Good, let's shoot it. No. Looks like this guy had a bad accident. A robbery! But okay. Okay, I'll just push shift and I'll sprint apparently. Cool. They seriously call this sprinting? I look ridiculous. So, just keep running, just keep running, just keep running, and the criminals have already robbed the bank. There's actually not many criminals. There's only like 8. A jewelry robbery as well. Man, these criminals have gone crazy. Well, let's just see the list and let's just see something. There's actually, OMG, there were only 8 prisoners, and now there are no prisoners. Cool. So, you guys know where the heck we're going? Wait, have we been running in circles? Or is this a different place? Oh, yay! Wait, what's this word? Can we click on it or do what? Now we have a light. That's cool. Oh, cool Pele. No, we'll just shoot it. It's actually cool, but can't stay. We're still on the run. Remember? Well, not running like criminals, but we're still on the run. And by the way, I think this is a different place than the place before. Or not. It's got the same train tracks, the same little station. Okay, what are we doing? What is what? What is what? What in the name of what is going on? Okay.
Ooh,
Oh, is that my vehicle? Cool.
what are you playing?
Roblox.
I don't know how to play.
You'll know someday. Hey, it
It's
looks like
like
something's coming.
Minecraft.
Okay. And by the way, we might be doing a Minecraft Let's Play, but not now.
Roblox looks like Minecraft.
Hey, you're under a... Oh, shh.
He said, hey,
Did I do my job? Hey, you're under arrest. That's over the speed limit, mister.
what's the speed limit?
I don't know, but I want to get... Well, I'm sure that's one of the criminals, so... Okay, now that's just weird. There. So, let's keep running, let's keep running, let's keep running until all the prisoners rob the bank.
Ooh,
Good for
yeah, that's definitely kind of like
Yes, it is like Minecraft, but better.
Minecraft.
No? This is, well, there are in some games, but this is jailbreak. The
You look like a cop.
I'm a cop. Okay. Sorry, you guys. Sorry, you guys. I wish we could spend more time on this, but for the screen recording thing I'm using, I only get we're about out of time.
Bye.
So thanks for watching, y'all, and
Bye bye.
see you later. No. Oh crap.